Hi there! So in this video, we will teach you on how to do the cleaning on Evolis Primacy. First things first, open up the Evolis Print Center. Then right-click on the Primacy device that's stated ready, which is the device that you wanted to clean. Then click Properties on it. You need to wait a few seconds while you wait for it to process. Once the process is done, click on the Cleaning tab. As you can see, there's a regular cleaning and advanced cleaning. What we wanted to do is regular cleaning. Once we are in this menu, just follow the procedure mentioned on this menu. Open the cardboard header, remove the card. Do not hold it on the side. Do not hold it on the front side because it may cause dirty. Now we adjust the thickness to the max, then close the feeder. Open up the top, remove the ribbon, close the top back. After everything here is done, we can proceed with the next step. So this is a cleaning card. So when we peel off the sticker of the cleaning card, the sticky part of the card must face upside. So we click Next once the light is blinking. You can start inserting the card. After the cleaning process is done, the card will come out the output hopper. You can see the card is slightly dusty. Once that is done, click Next. So now we are about to clean the printhead. We open the top of the Primacy. Then we open the cleaning swab tool. As you can see, there's a sponge, and this sponge is already soaked with alcohol. Use that sponge to clean the printhead. Only clean the printhead in one direction. So that's how you clean the printhead. Once it's done, then click Next. And then we're gonna put the ribbon back in. Open up the feeder, readjust back the thickness of the gauge. Then we are going to put the cut back in to the feeder. And there you go. That is your regular cleaning. Thanks for watching.